Once conduit is reamed, the next step is threading. Stainless steel conduit can be threaded with any standard threading tool. When using larger model power threaders, use only die heads that are the correct size for the conduit to be threaded and that are designed specifically for use with stainless steel materials to prevent cross-contamination of metals. Do not use die heads that have been used on any material other than stainless steel. Prior to beginning, make sure the threader is dispensing clean threading lubricant. Thread length is critical to maintaining the environmental rating of the product. To gauge the correct thread length, place the provided thread protector over the area to be threaded and make a mark around the conduit. Do not thread past this mark to make certain no exposed threads are present once the conduit is engaged in the coupling or fitting. Begin threading the conduit by engaging the thread dies, using a small amount of pressure until all dies engage and begin to cut. If using a manual or power pony threader, make sure to start applying oil prior to the engagement of die to conduit. Thread stainless steel at slower speeds to ensure a high-quality thread while maintaining the serviceability of the equipment. Use plenty of oil during the threading process to prevent friction and damaged threads. Per NEC code, a minimum of 5 threads of engagement are required for NPT threads. It is good practice to stop the threading process 1 thread short after surpassing the minimum requirement to prevent the conduit from butting in couplings or fittings. Once threading is complete, carefully remove the die head from the threads. Use care as threads can be damaged by accidental or uncontrolled turning of the die head during removal. If conduit is to be threaded with a handheld device, be sure to use die heads specifically designed to be used with stainless steel conduit. Ensure the conduit is clamped correctly before threading begins, and gauge the length of the threads in the same manner as before. While threading, use a pump oiler with good quality thread cutting oil to flush away the stainless steel shavings. After removing the die head from the newly created threads, use a stainless steel brush, degreaser, and a clean cloth to remove oil and any burrs or chips left over from the threading process. Once the threads have been inspected, apply an approved thread compound directly to the threads. Refer to plans and specifications for thread compound requirements, as food-grade thread compounds may be required in food and beverage facilities to maintain the electrical integrity of the system. In order to avoid chemical contamination in these locations, look for materials bearing the NSF listing.